Welcome. Fine and Country Taunton have an exceptional development site to offer. Coming to the market for the first time, we're not far from the village of Coombe St Flory. We have views from the Blackdown Hills right the way across to the Quantock Hills. So the planning permission, which is full consent, is for the demolition and new build of 5 luxury dwellings, and boy, have they got a view. You know, in nearly 40 years of being an agent, I don't think I've ever had a site quite like this. This isn't just about 5 luxury homes with stunning views. This is about a legacy, and whoever buys this site and develops it will be able to drive past it in years to come and say, I did that. What a great thing to have.